Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I will take a look at a very basic and very easy Python topic today, which is try and accept loop. So it is very simple topic and you may already know about try and catch in Java, and in Python it is kind of similar, and it is you just try and accept loop, not try and catch, but try and accept. So I'll just head on straight with an example. So what I'll do, I'll just create a variable a and I'm assigning a value to it. Let's say it is false. It is of type boolean. False is of type boolean. That's why it will just check only one bit of memory. And what I'm gonna do is I'll just use a while loop. So what is happening over here? While not a. I wrote down while not a. I wrote it because what I just want this to loop infinite number of times. I don't want my code to stop. So therefore I won't change the value of a. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just define a try block. Inside try, let's say I'm creating a variable f underscore n, and what it does, it just takes an input from the user, and let's say it prints out enter file. And now what I'll do, I'll just create another variable, let's say I underscore wrap, and what it does, it opens a file. And what will be the name of the file? It will be f underscore n, which I took from the user, and I'll just open it in read only mode. So for doing that, you have to just write R in the single quotation mark. And what I'll do, if it throws an error, I'll just catch it with an except loop. It will catch all the exceptions. So what I'll do, I'll just print out input file not found. And if I try to run this code, so it is asking me for user input, and it is saying the file name. So as you can see, I have a text file which is re.txt. So let's say I'll just input r.txt. So you may see it is not throwing any errors. And let's say I don't have any file in it. So let's say, let me give some random name. Okay, so I don't have any file with this name, and you can see it is throwing an error, input file not found. It is not throwing an error, it is just printing out this thing. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.